first train of 2019. But it's backing up. And our rail crossing should go off soon. That's like their rail crossings. Ours should go off soon.
You guys excited?
Horn sounds different.
Hey, you guys excited?
Yeah. But the horn sounds different.
Does it?
Yeah. It's coming, but very, very
Oh
slowly.
man, is it ever moving slowly?
Oh, rail crossings went off.
Ours is going off.
Except ours has 4 lights. Meanwhile, the train's
man, that is
coming.
slowly. Look at that.
I know, it sounds like the engine's right there, but it's at the back of the train. Now that it's backing up. Now it sounds like twin crossings. I like the job with you guys. So that's what my channel that's what makes my channel popular. Fewer people today, since it's backing up and no one knows that it's backing up. But it's arriving, so I'm gonna back up. Come on, Tegan. Tegan's recording today. Say hi, Tegan. Tegan, say hi.
Hi.
Wave. Okay.
Where the van still smells like it's overheating.
All right, it's coming. And there's an engineer right there. I like how she takes lots of pictures. You have to make memories and Christmas trains. All Canadian Pacific cars, and they're singing songs while the parade is going. London, Ontario, Canada, not London, Ohio. We're London, UK. This is the Canadian life.
I think that's the one that has the fan, buddy.
Yep, has a door on it.
Back up, Tegan.
Back up. Get ready, it's gonna honk its horn. Sorry, it scared me. Keeps scaring me, sorry. Other than last year, I didn't yell, which is good. The horn's very loud. So, yeah. 2019 Christmas train. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Special video.
All right,
Can we
guys.
say bye?
Peace out.